Hello everybody, thank you for joining me. I am just making my way up the A34. I'm off to West Brom to a site I've not been to before. Didn't leave the yard too early this morning because I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing afterwards. Need to speak to the boss once the delivery is done. Don't need a break or anything like that on the way up because it's only a 2 and a bit hour drive. So yeah, let's just get cracking. Just about to come off the M5 towards the delivery site. I only got about half a mile to go, so I must be pretty close. I think it's one of those places that, yeah, I can probably see it as I'm coming off. There we go, it's just on the left. So, yeah, nice and easy to find. Slow down for these traffic lights. I hope my next collection is not in the pallet place next door. Nobody wants that, do they? First exit off this roundabout. This first left. It's not the first left that we need now, it's the second one. Google Maps is taking me directly to the site. That's the advantage to using that for that last little bit of the journey. Yep, down here. Looks like there's plenty of space in here, which is helpful. Let's go in, park up over here, and go down and book in. Delivery done. Now, just need to get turned around. I would have backed down here, but running over that great thing again. There we go, last time. Yeah, I would have reversed down, but because the pallets roll up against the headboard, yeah, easier to actually drive down and then reverse out for the forklift driver. So there's loads of room in here. Turn around. Yep. Very close, but loads of room. Couldn't come over this way because of the curb thing just there. Yeah. We're out. Just going to pull up over here and call the boss, find out where I'm going to next. If anybody needs me to move, then of course, yes, I'll move, but let's make that phone call, find out what we're doing now. Right, just leaving the delivery site, having called the boss, and oh, there's a curb there. That's all right, got to go up the curb anyway to get round this corner. There we go. Can't go right because it's a one-way system the other way. And yeah, the load I was supposed to be picking up here for whatever reason has been cancelled, so I've now got to go to the job that I was supposed to be doing after that one, which is back in Basingstoke, so more or less back to the yard, and see if that load's ready. going to call me to see whether it is. It's going to call them, sorry, to see whether it is ready now or whether it isn't going to be ready till the morning. But if I can get loaded today, I can get part of the way up towards the delivery site, so I'm there ready for the morning, which should be handy. Not long left the collection in Basingstoke. I'm going to be stopping in Fleet Services for a break, allow some of the traffic to clear ahead, because yeah, I've got to go around the M25 because we're off to Colchester to the delivery site with the long reverse down the narrow road. Again, probably remember it if you've watched previous videos when we get there. Going to be there in the morning because I'm not going to be there before they close this evening. And yeah, got to find where I'm going to park up tonight as well. Probably somewhere along the A12. I'm going to get a shower and stuff in Fleet Services in a minute. But yeah, as for this evening, I suppose I could park by that green common area in the middle of the village. I'm sure the locals won't mind. And there is a little Tesco's there. Only 2 minutes away from the delivery site this morning, and there's definitely worse places to have spent the night. Yeah, definitely nice and quiet here, except for just the other side of the truck is the church, and I think they were doing the church bell practice last night because the bells were going on quite late, but still managed to get some sleep. Delivery site is 2 minutes that way, so yeah, just need to finish doing my daily checks and then it's to the delivery site. Daily check is done. Now it's get to the delivery site. Let's get that window done up for a minute. It's going to be a little bit blowy. Not the best time really to have started, but I couldn't have started in another time because otherwise the delivery site's not going to be quite ready for me. But hey, it is what it is. Normally I'm here a little bit later than this because we either get loaded in the morning and drive up, so it's not till lunchtime that we get here, or I've come up from the yard in the morning, so yeah, it's a 3.5 to 4 hour drive. Yeah, you were never going to let me through that gap. Thank you for letting me through anyway. There's a school just up here, that's the trouble. So of course, school run time at 10 to 9. Paperwork falling out. The advantage to getting here at this time is obviously there's less cars about. Hopefully that means I can get around this corner a little bit easier. Still got the car garage here though with all of their cars. This turn done now, and then it's back down towards the gate. Got a van on my left and then that skip on the right, so wiggle through that. Should be alright if we keep it relatively straight now. cleared the skip. Nearly cleared the van. Got to try and wiggle so that I can get in through this gate now. Go press the intercom, see if anybody's there to let me in. Just leaving Newark truck stop. Got up here last night, booked in at about 6 o'clock I think it was by the time I actually got up here and was ready to go over and sort out paying for parking. Went in and got something to eat from the cafe here. Nice ham, egg and chips for dinner, which was good. And yeah, just sat waiting now till just about 11 o'clock to go round to the delivery site. Booked in for 12 o'clock, so I'm going to be going in early and hopefully they've got a bay free for me to reverse onto. But if not, just sit round there and wait. It's actually quite clear to get out of here today. That's because the level crossing is down, so the trains are obviously coming past. Yeah, already know where I'm going after I've done this delivery as well, which is handy. Need to get the reference number from the boss, so on the way up to there, we're going up to somewhere north of Yulgrave, the usual gravel place, to another one to pick up something else from there. Yeah, like I say, need to call the boss to get the reference number, but we're going up somewhere into the Derbyshire Dales. Not the usual gravel place, but somewhere I have been to before. Was at the delivery site in Newark for about an hour and a half. Seemed to take them quite a while this time. Now I've got over to my collection in, well, just outside Buxton really, just north of Yulgrave as I said. Now I've got to get out of here and go get the paperwork. Let this forklift driver do what they're doing. Concentrate on where I'm needing to go. It's the trouble with this place. I've only been here a couple of times, but they're so busy all of the time. Forklifts whizzing about all over the place. Forklift behind me, he's putting a pallet on there. Now where's he going? He's going right out of the way. Got this tipper doing whatever he's doing. Alright, tipper's finished. I can see where I'm trying to go, Mr. Man in a high vis, but I can't actually see what you're doing. It's alright. Yeah, it's alright, there's loads of room. Past the tipper driver. Just stop out at here and go get my paperwork. arrived on site and they want me up this end to get unloaded. I need to go down here and turn around. Do that now, so at least if the car park or this area gets busy, then yeah. Which way should we go? Let's go over here. Into this area up here. And then get turned around, hopefully. Has that green post ended yet? That green post has ended. Sort that mirror out now. We can get parked out the front. Right, let's get it unloaded. On the way back to the yard, I get a phone call from the boss saying, can I come up to Basingstoke to do a collection? So that's where I've come up to. But now I am definitely on my way back to the yard, and it's the perfect opportunity to end the video. So that's what I'm gonna do. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, all of those good things, and I'll catch you in the next one.